The trees are so tall, I can't even see the tops.
It's incredible, isn't it? Let's go explore. Welcome to the sky. Are you ready to fly like eagles?
Do eagles ever fall down, Mateo?
Not with these. These are magic cables. First, we must put on your super suits.
This feels very heavy and strong. Okay, stepping in.
Pull it tight around your waist. It must be snug.
Got it, thanks.
I think I put my leg through the armhole.
Dad, the big rings go in the front, not the back.
Safety rule number 1, protect your head.
Got it. Click. My brain is safe now.
Everything is double checked. Safety is our mission.
My legs are getting a workout before we even start. Yeah, but this is so cool.
Keep your hands on the ropes.
I don't like the wind up here. It's too high. It's like looking out of an airplane window.
This is zipline number 1. We call it the sloth path.
How does the pulley stay on the wire without falling?
It has 2 wheels that lock onto the steel. Gravity does the work. Toby, you are our first explorer today. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready, I think. What do I do with my hands?
Hold the handles. Don't touch the cable. It's hot from friction.
I am brave. I am a bird. 3, 2, 1. Wow! I'm flying. I'm really flying. The world is so green from up here. That was incredible. I want to go again.
My hat! I almost lost my hat! The trees are spinning, but my heart is happy.
I saw a blue butterfly. It was huge.
Be quiet, everyone. Look at that branch over there.
Is that a sloth? It's not moving at all. That is a 3-toed sloth. He sleeps 20 hours a day. He looks like he's moving in slow motion. He doesn't have any stress. I like him. What was that? It sounded like a scream. Look at the colors. They're brighter than my shirt.
Those are scarlet macaws. They stay together for life.
This is better than any zoo I've ever seen.
This one is called the jaguar. It is very fast.
Because it's steeper, gravity will make me go faster.
Exactly! You are a physics student and a flyer!
I'm going to try to look around more this time. I am the fastest teen in the jungle! It's a jungle shower. It feels great. I see the giant yellow beak. Hello, toucan. Flare. I didn't even need Mateo to help me stop that time. I'm not scared anymore, Toby. I'm a jungle boy.
Did I lose the mosquito spray? Oh, wait, it's here.
Wow, you made it! This is the most exciting thing we've done as a family.
That is an orchid. It drinks water from the air.
It doesn't have roots in the ground? That's amazing.
In the rainforest, everyone is racing for the light.
It's swinging. Every time I step, it moves.
Just hold on, Toby.
Why does it sway so much?
It's built to swing, Toby. If it were stiff, it would break.
Don't look down. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. It's a giant trampoline in the sky. Peter, stop! You're making my stomach feel funny. Look at the white water crashing against the rocks. The jungle is so loud and so alive.
This is the last one. 1 kilometer of flying.
It's so far away. The cable looks like a tiny thread.
You've done great today, Toby. Ready for the big one?
Yes, I'm ready.
I've come this far. I'm finishing strong.
Whoa! I can see the ocean in the distance. It's blue and vast. I am a hawk. I am the king of the canopy. The air is getting warmer as I go lower.
Wait for the signal. Now, brake!
That was the longest flight ever. Ground. Sweet, solid brown ground.
I did every single line, even the scary ones.
We are explorers, Toby. We are heroes.
I think I need a nap, but that was worth every second. You are all official members of the Jungle Flight Club.
This is going on my wall next to my science medal.
I have helmet hair, but I don't care. I need a giant fruit smoothie. I'm starving.
I'll have the tropical cooler, please. It's so cold and sweet, exactly what I needed.
Look at Dad's face. He looks like he saw a ghost.
I wasn't scared. I was just expressing my joy.
I look like I know what I'm doing there.
You were very brave today, Toby. You helped Peter stay calm.
He did a good job, too. He's a tough little guy.
He's watching us eat. Do lizards like pineapple?
He likes the ants that come for the sugar.
The jungle is always working. Everyone has a job.
I'm going to sleep so well tonight.
More stories for my shoes. Mud from the sky. The silence in the middle of the zip line. It was so quiet. I want to be a sloth tomorrow. The rainforest is a special place. We have to protect it. I'm glad there are no heavy industries here. One last swim before bed, please?
All right, but just a quick one.
Go ahead. You have 10 minutes.
Leo, look! The pool is glowing like the jellyfish we saw in the submarine. I need to wash off the jungle before I jump in that water. I'm ready. I'll race you to the deep end, Dad. This is the life, jungle, sky, and water. The stars here are so bright. No city lights. I can see the Southern Cross. We really are in a different place.
Time to come in, Toby. Long day tomorrow.
Okay, coming. I'm ready for a big Costa Rican breakfast. I'll clean these tomorrow. For now, I'm done. Flight diploma. Toby the Flyer. I like it. The jungle never stops singing. Red and blue, red and blue. I'm still flying in my head. Good night, Costa Rica. What is that roaring? Is there a lion outside?
No lions, Toby. Those are howler monkeys. They are very loud.
They sound like giant monsters, but they're just little monkeys. He's so fast! He's a better zipliner than me! I want gallo pinto, rice and beans for energy. The plantain is like a hot, sweet banana.
Today, we are going to the sea turtle nesting beach.
I'm ready to find some turtles. Let's go! We can't forget the sunscreen today, Dad.
Good call, Toby. I bought 2 bottles at the shop. We are safe!
The trees are changing. They are shorter and have more sand. The sand is black. Why is it black, Dad?
It's the volcano's lava turned into tiny black grains over millions of years.
It feels different than the white sand at home.
Welcome. You are here to help the babies reach the sea.
Yes, we're ready to help.
I'm excited. Me too. We have to be very quiet so we don't scare them. Look, something is coming out. He's so small. He's like a little green coin. It's a turtle parade. Go, little guys, go! I'll make sure no birds get them. You're almost there. The ocean is right in front of you. Did they make it? I can't see them.
Look closer, Toby. They're strong swimmers.
Oh, I see them now. They're swimming. They're finally home.
You helped save 10 lives today.
From the sky to the sea, this trip is the best. The water is as warm as a bathtub. Look at this! The piece of driftwood shaped like a turtle. I'll keep this on my desk to remember the babies. The sky is showing off tonight.
The Davis family in Costa Rica. Perfect.
I think I'm going to be a biologist one day.
That's a wonderful goal, Toby.
Wow, really?
You have the heart for it, Toby.
Thanks, Mom. I'm ready. Black sand and jungle mud. My shoes are a map of the country. The jungle rhythm is in our heads now! I learned more in 3 days than in a month of school. I have to make sure my rock and my wood turtle are safe. Thank you for the adventure, Costa Rica. The end.